Hi there, here we have a Nissan Navara 2011. It's the D40, it's a 2.5 turbo diesel. It's just, so the chassis actually is very good on it all the way through, but it's actually cracked at the back. So it's sold as spares or repairs. The front of the chassis is like I said, it's very good, no corrosion. It's just literally over the wheel arches. He's just put too much weight on it and it's cracked it. Starts and it drives. A gentleman drove it here. It's a local vehicle to us. It's been used by a Thatcher for the last 11 years, I believe. Got reverse camera on there, heated seats. The roof, I think they call it Aventura, this model. $226,000 miles. So it's just recently had a wheel bearing done on it. Spares or repairs, starts and drives.